In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Booking.com API. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to look for so you can begin exploring the official resources with confidence. Start by opening your browser and going to Booking.com. To make sure you're on the official site and to load the standard global navigation, head to the flight section, the page titled Find Cheap Flights and Plane Tickets. Take a quick look at the address bar to confirm you see the secure padlock and the Booking.com domain. This simple check keeps you on the right track and ensures you're working within the legitimate ecosystem. From there, look for the For Developers option. This takes you to the official developer portal at developers.booking.com, where you'll find product documentation, reference guides, and partner resources. If it's easier, you can also open a new tab and type developers.booking.com directly. Once the developer homepage loads, pause for a moment to scan the navigation so you know where to find products, guides, and support articles later. On the developer site, locate the Demand API and click Get Started. This landing page is the central starting point for partners who want programmatic access to Booking.com's content and services. Here, you'll typically see what the Demand API covers, how it's organized, and what's required before you can make requests. Use this page to get familiar with the big picture, the kinds of endpoints you can expect, how authentication is handled, and any important compliance notes such as permitted use cases and brand guidelines. You'll also find practical details like eligibility, approval workflows, and rate limits. It's worth reading these sections carefully now so you can plan your integration with the right expectations around access, scale, and timelines. As you review the overview, keep an eye out for versioning information, any mention of test or sandbox environments, and links to reference documentation. Noting these early will save you time when you start building. If the site presents architecture diagrams or example flows, use them to map out how your application will interact with the API. That's the path in a nutshell. Confirm you're on the official Booking.com site via the flights page, follow For Developers to the developer portal, and then select Get Started on the Demand API. Consider bookmarking both the developer homepage and the Demand API overview, so you can return quickly while you read through documentation or plan your implementation. If the layout changes in the future, use the site's search box for Demand API to reach the same starting point. Thanks for watching and good luck exploring the Booking.com API.